All right, welcome in everyone. Today we're going to talk about something very special. This is going to be a very speculation type video, so if you don't like speculation, you may want to click off of this. Yes, we're going to talk about possible SpaceX rumors merging with a SPAC. That's right, IPOF. So we're going to get into all that information today. If you're ready for this video, make sure you smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. All right, so SpaceX, if you don't know, is the very Elon Musk company that we want to see come public because, yeah, this is like the next big thing. And there is a lot of speculation out here about SpaceX possibly coming public. And we got this post here on StockTwits. I want to go over here from Colin Robinson, Starman. So big props to him. Going to give him all the credit here on this speculation. So here it is. Final thoughts before what could be a big week. Number one, lots of circumstantial evidence that SpaceX, Starlink probably is going public soon, and Chamath is involved. A 10-to-1 can be a sign of preparing to go public. Chamath resigning suggests he may have a board seat. Yum Yum suggests Chamath tastes a profitable exit looming. D, Chamath wearing celebrity SpaceX watch. E, Elon Musk hints at dropping number 2. F, Chamath off to Italy, obviously not working hard right now. Now, none of these suggest IPOF though. All this could be a point to do, this is all speculation. Number 2, clues to why it could be a SPAC deal. SpaceX has apparently not hired key positions of SOX control reporting. You would hire before DPO typically, unless months off. A DPO would not provide cash infusion off the bat. DPO would place Tesla shareholders in the equal footing to banks, but wouldn't prioritize them. It's Elon Musk. Screw the banks, most interesting outcome. So there's this point here that he made. And we also got this article here from Investor Place. It talks about IPOF, stock alert. What are the SPAC merger rumors lifting IPOF shares today? So if you get out here and scroll, this was just posted one day ago. It's here talking about IPOF. And as you know, this is the famous Chamath SPAC. And if we get on here and look, where was it at? Down here. So IPOF stock moves higher on key headlines today. IPO stock isn't just any blank check firm. It is the 6th in a SPAC series launched by famous venture capitalist Chamath. Chamath saw incredible success in bringing companies public in 2020 and 2021. My favorite that, of course, is SoFi that he has brought public. I'm a shareholder in SoFi, and I'm now currently a shareholder in IPOF, and we're going to get into that a little later in the video. The declining interest among speculative investments has hit portfolios hard. IPOF does not have a merger partner. Accordingly, speculation continues to soar around which company could merge with IPOF. Among the key candidates is Elon Musk's SpaceX, which announced today a 10-for-1 private stock split. Such a move may improve mechanics of a reverse merger, or at least make this company more attractive to bring to public markets. Additionally, recent news that Chamath has stepped down from the board of Virgin Galactic, which is SPCE. And some investors have been more keen on the idea of SpaceX or Starlink could be a merger partner for IPOF. While this is highly speculative, it is boosting momentum around IPOF. For now, IPOF remains a black box. Those looking to invest ought to be aware of the risk of doing so. So that is true. Like I said, this is a speculation play. This is a very risky play. Now, one thing I do want to point out, if we go here to the Yahoo Finance and take a look at it, this is still a SPAC, guys. It has that base $10 floor. So there is always room that it could drop below, and we'll get into that in the Robinhood chart and take a look at that. But as you see here, the normal volume for this stock on an average trading day is 1.7 million. On Friday, it hit 7.1 million. So yeah, it about 4x, well, a little over 3x the volume, and it has a market cap now 1.4 billion. So keep that in mind. Here we are on Robinhood. As you can see, the stock is currently trading at $10.11. As you know, these SPACs generally have a $10 floor. But as of late, the SPACs have hit down to the 980s. If you look back over the last 3 months, the lowest that you could see here it hit was $9.80. And if you go back down here and look at the details, the 52-week low was a 977. So you know that these SPACs have pretty much this base floor. So if we go at the $9.80 at the floor of this, because you know it can't go much lower than 10, they're required to get it back up to $10. So kind of SPACs in this market are actually kind of safe. If you try to get rid of them before they actually merge, you kind of have very low risk because of the floor level. So basically, if the low is 980 and today is 1011, you're looking at a 31 cents per share risk. So just putting that out there. Let's say you have a 31 cents per share risk out there if you're looking to buy this at 1011. Now, I will disclose I'm currently in holding shares. You can see I currently have 100 shares. I bought them at an average price of 1003. We're currently up just a little bit here. We're up 0.79%. So if we get out here and look, I also bought options on this. Now, I wish I would have bought more because, like I said, the options were low risk. Being at the SPAC, there's a lot of excitement and hype around this right now. I just threw a couple bucks into it. Didn't want to get, like I said, this is a very highly speculative play. Like I said, this is one of my small little Robinhood accounts. And I just wanted to have fun with this play and take a chance because I knew my max risk is very low. And you can see I plan on holding these options here to ride the momentum. I only bought 3 options and they expire on April the 14th. So I want to see what happens here over the next few weeks to a month. And like I said, I only have like my average cost. If I click on these, my average cost was 17 cents, guys. So I had less than 60 bucks invested in this. So like I said, very low risk options play here. Let's say $52 was my $51 was my max risk on this, and we're already up 30%. We're up to $66. So yeah, pretty nice to see. I plan on holding these out. I may want to grab a couple more, maybe get this up to $100, $200 of maybe risk on these options, just because of all the rumors floating around here on the Ipof situation right now. So yeah, like I said, the volume's good. There's a lot of chatter here. I mean, if we go back here and look on StockTwits, I mean, there is a lot of stuff going on now. We have over 20,000 followers. This was trending #1 on Friday most of the day, so keep that in mind as well. Also, real quick, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing down below. Also consider joining. If you click the blue join button, you can join little as $2.99 a month. You get the loyalty badges and the custom emojis for when I do live streams and live premieres. And we also got a silver and gold tier you can read into as well. And I did do a post here on Friday that it was a risk. I put bought IPOF, SPAC gamble play, let's go, average 1003. So I did post that there. I'll post plays that I do. I did forget to mention the options in there. But still, put the main thing in there. Like I said, your risk is low. At a 980, you're risking like 30 cents a share. So yeah, I think it's very, very low risk right now, as long as you plan on seeing what the next couple of weeks entail, see how the excitement goes around the stock. This is a momentum play for sure until we get something official announced. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Do you think this has a chance to be a merger with SpaceX? Are they going to have something to do with Elon Musk and the SpaceX? It'd be huge. And if, of course, it comes out, I wish I would have bought a hell of a lot more of this. But like I said, with the risk factor, I'm willing to take the little bit of risk for the reward. Like I said, there's more reward than there is risk. So like I said, there is risk, but 31 cents a share. And I risked a little bit there in the options. But just buying a speculative play, little risk right here right now, and we'll see if it pays off. So like I said, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.